Hello everyone. So this would be a very short video and I just wanted to share something because I have started using Kdenlive on this laptop, ThinkPad T14. I recently moved to T14, although I still have this X220, which is not my primary computer anymore, but I still use it. Now, the reason I moved to T14 is because I wanted to do a little bit of video editing, like especially 4K video editing, and 4K video editing. Although it won't be like perfect or like super fast when you're using even T14 10th generation i5 with 16 GB RAM, but still you can use proxy clips. I have made videos on proxy clips. But today in this video, I want to talk about something totally different. Of course, about Kdenlive, but when you install Kdenlive for the very first time, and especially if you're using Arch Linux with DWM, then you might find few things slightly annoying. Now, when you have Kdenlive up and running like this, you will see this is of course not really in a dark theme, and although there is a way to have different color schemes, which I will show you in just a second, but I don't have a massive problem with the white or non-dark scheme, but the problem was that sometimes, and I'm not really sure why, sometimes these buttons will appear, but these buttons will not display the actual icon. For example, if you want to click on favorite, the star will be missing. If you want to click, I mean, not missing, but it will be in a very light color, and you won't be able to figure out. The play button will not really have the play sign or icon, and this is annoying. And I was trying to find a way to fix this, and then I realized, okay, let me just switch to dark theme. And when you install Kdenlive for the very first time, and I'm talking about Arch Linux and DWM, but this will all most likely will work on Ubuntu or Fedora, I guess. You can go to settings, and then you can go to color scheme, and then you can, in your case, in fresh installation of Kdenlive, you will only have default. And if you go to style, you might have Windows and Fusion, but not really Breeze. So Breeze is basically one theme that you can install, and it will let you change the theme. And dark theme works really well for me because I never really had any problems with these icons, and it looks good. I mean, if possible, I prefer, of course, the dark theme. Of course, you might be different, but the reason I was switching this theme was because I was not able to see the icons. So that was a problem for me. And to install this Breeze, you have to basically use this utility, or I'm not really sure what this is. I guess there is some package that works with Kdenlive. So if you're using Arch Linux, you can simply do sudo pacman -S Breeze, and that is it. Just make sure you restart your Kdenlive, and then you will find these color schemes in your Kdenlive, and you can change it, and that is it. I know, a short video, but sometimes you won't find a lot of information online, and I'm just making this video because you might want to do the same thing. And yes, I tried editing 4K videos. It was fine. It was not super perfect. I think as long as you're working on proxies, and if you make sure that you are working on like maybe 360p or 270p in your monitor window, clip monitor windows, then or project monitor window, then it should be fine. It should be fine. Again, not massively fast, but I'm still trying to figure out and find the optimal settings. But I think whenever you are trying to edit 4K videos, just create a proxy file. That is it. Then you'll be fine. And my intention is not to do like very high level or complicated editing. I just want to keep things simple. And at the same time, Kdenlive is quite mature software. I spent some time around 3 years ago, I think a few years, doing editing on HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is fine. I like it, but it is not on Linux, unfortunately. And I was using a different machine for video editing and video making. But I want to now use Linux for each and everything, which I do. I think I use Linux for almost everything, unless someone is forcing me to use Windows or Mac. But yes, you can do editing using Kdenlive on Linux, even on like not super powerful machine. So I was doing it on ThinkPad X220, which was, to be honest, not really capable of doing 4K editing at all, because the proxy file creation used to take like long time. But now T14 can handle it. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.